Hello and welcome to my Guelph University room tour. So I am in my second year of university, so I thought that I would give you guys a full-fledged room tour. I'm really excited. I really like the way that this room came along. I'm really excited. Come in. So we start down here. This is my nightstand from home. I have my salt lamp, my Google Nest, all of the necessities, and this is my bed. I absolutely am obsessed with it. And I have this, which my mom made for me, Queen. This is from IKEA, Bouclair, Costco, HomeSense, Bouclair, and IKEA. My whole bedspread is from IKEA. I have my UGG blanket for the winter when I know it will get cold. And then we have my desk area, which is its own little vibe. I have a little light up there. Let's see if I can turn it on. I think it might be unplugged, TBH. It's not the vibe right now. Woo. It's really cute. So that's my little desk area. These lights are from Costco. I don't know why these keep like burning out.
If you're moving into like a dorm or something,
I highly recommend them because they take up like a bunch of wall space. Like I don't have a lot of posters. I just don't. So, and then behind me here, my closet looks like very small. I have like everything in drawers here. So, like my pajamas, my pants, my shirts, my underwear, whatever. All my stuff is hung up on the shelf, and I have sweaters and pants folded up there. Yeah, that's really good. I'll just close that up. This is my laundry basket. I have to do laundry. So this is like my favorite section. These two posters for my sister for my birthday. She got them from Redbubble, and I love Redbubble because they have like good quality posters that aren't too expensive. And this is a piece of art that Emily made me for my birthday. This is a picture of us. That's a picture of my grandma. Those little figurines are literally from Dollarama. IKEA. I made that weird moose thing, but like basically everything I got from IKEA, I don't know where that's from. My mom got it. Plant is from IKEA. The vines are literally from Dollarama. It's just like my little cozy corner. So I have my mini fridge. It's not quite stocked up yet. I just have some water, some vitamin water, coffee, tea, and one can of White Claw, which is probably not ever gonna be drinking. We've reached the point of no return, and then this is my favorite part. So we open up, we got a little balcony moment, just the parking lot views. I might have to put some pantaloons on because it's a little chilly. Yeah, it's a really cute little balcony. Emily and I have chairs. We got these little bistro table from IKEA, and that's Emily's room. For those of you who don't know, I live with 4 people. Emily has been my best friend since grade 9, so that's kind of fun. We live together now. Really weird. So that's the room tour. Like, it's gonna be super short because like there's nothing really to see here, but I'm really excited to start making back to school content. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. That was the entire freaking thing. Yeah, I'm sorry I've been away for so long. There's just like a lot going on, so I haven't really had time to film. So I'm really excited about this video, and I think it'll be really fun.